It is currently 6 a.m. on a Friday, and my butt is on my bed reading. Alright, so I'm an hour and 10 minutes in. This is a lot harder than I thought. Kind of staring at words for a couple hours straight is a little annoying, but I'm gonna push through. Alright, so right now I'm literally doing my daily stationary bike thing while reading. Yeah, I'm kind of getting pretty committed to this challenge. I'm also reading while doing the stationary bike while helping my sister with something on the Xbox. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm halfway through. And just a quick reminder to like and subscribe because these videos take quite a lot of effort. Alright, I just finished another chapter, but I still got like 15 more minutes to go, so I'm gonna try to finish another one. Alright, so looking back at the footage, this video is actually like the most shaky thing ever. So sorry about that, but this is literally impossible to film. Chapter 5, numero 6. Alright, 12, finishing off at chapter 8.